Day 73, still rolling. Still got another rock to show. This one looks better in person. Just kind of looks gray and smoky on here, but there's little bits of contrasting color and sparkles. Again, doesn't show up very well. Not like that granite. That granite, super sparkly. Anyway, locks, dice, shot glass, all your favorite things. 5. What even is this? Doesn't look too bad. Star for Yale locks. Well, I guess it's a Yale. Oh, there it is. Yale. Let's get it. Good old Reaper set. Reaper 40,000 Z-bar and the McTickler. One of the best zipping devices ever devised. Proof right there. Y'all don't forget to rock out with your lockout.